After driving 14 hours yesterday and then 10 hours today and coming to a filthy house is like really discouraging because we have to unload our whole house and it is gross in here. I don't even want to bring my stuff in here, but I have to. So definitely be calling this management company tomorrow because this is completely unacceptable in my opinion. And I'm honestly not even that picky. And you guys have seen my house in my other videos. I'm not that like, you know, neat freak, clean freak, anything, but this is gross. Like, it is very gross to move in. Like, there's no possible way that this was cleaned after the last renters. No possible way.
So if you disregard how disgusting I left this house, it really is beautiful. When you first come in the side entrance, there's the dining room. You'll see the stairs. To the left would bring you to the garage and laundry and a half bath, but to the right where we're going brings us to the main living space, which is the kitchen and the living room with an electric fireplace and the pantry. And you guys will hear me talk about it in a minute, but I'm so excited to have a pantry now. It's been so long. So just to give you guys a little close-up of how bad this pantry was, they had food everywhere. Like, no one had wiped this pantry out. All of the baseboards in this entire house are dirty, but they also were not painted when they added like the quarter round, if that's what you call it, the little small pieces of trim. A lot of the construction in this home was just not done properly. Like, again, they just put in quarter round and never painted it, so obviously it's going to look dirty and dingy even if you did clean it. But you can see here the hair. There was dog hair everywhere, and I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice. We've been in the house. This is the 6th week when I'm recording this voiceover, and I wake up every day sniffly, sneezy. I don't really have a dog allergy that I am aware of, but I don't know if that's what it is or just because it's so dusty and dirty in here, but I wake up every day with almost like what feels like an allergy attack, sneezing, sniffling. One side of my nose is stopped up, and honestly, I'm really sick of it. I have been slowly scrubbing this house down, but I just can't get it fast enough because we were waiting for a good 3-4 weeks on the management company, and then obviously I have a lot of other things besides just scrubbing this house that I have to get done, especially with moving to a new state. Anyway, not trying to make this a complaining video, just wanted to kind of let you guys know what's going on. All of the stuff that they put in this home is really beautiful. It's just a lot of shoddy workmanship, like seams don't line up and all of those things.
Yeah, like, if it was actually like clean and like pristine, it would be like super nice.
Yeah. I just can't believe how dirty. Well, the kids drew on the walls or whatever it looks like. In here.
Yeah, in their thing it says, well, you know what, maybe tomorrow I'll just call, she called me to,
I'll tell her I would tell her, this house is filthy. Look at that. Look at that glass window. This whole place is so filthy.
So that glass window is just an example of how, like, the shoddy workmanship in the sense of, like, they didn't even try to not keep the putty off the window. And if you look to the left, you can see next to the cabinet where they, you know, didn't even care to, like, actually patch where the old vanity was. But all in all, I actually do really love the master suite. It has given me so many ideas of what to do, like, in our future home when we go to build. I really love the layout of this.
Look how huge this closet is. But it is filthy. This house is disgusting. I cannot believe they're renting a house out like this. Like everywhere you look is just like this everywhere.
And so I've gotten a lot of ideas, but the biggest thing you guys see here is just how dirty it is, where it's just unnecessary, you know? They could have just wiped that with a rag and then it'd have been good. But after you drive 24 hours and you've been moving for a month straight, it's just really discouraging to come into this. So you probably saw in the beginning of the video where I was just like so upset. Once I wasn't tired, I got some rest. I felt a little better about it, but it's still unacceptable, obviously, because we're paying a lot more to rent this place than we were the mortgage on our home. So when you've been a homeowner, it's hard to go to renting because a lot of things are not in your control. And so we are learning that lesson. So going back to where we started this tour, if we go the other way, there is understairs storage, which is really nice. We have the half bath for the guest, and then we have the laundry room and the garage.
And there's not really any shelving in here. I have to figure out all the lights are everywhere. There's not really any shelving except for that. So we'll probably get some kind of like shelving unit that I can just put there. And then the garage is out here. I just can't believe how dirty they left this place. Like, it's just shocking to me. I mean, the garage is, you know, it's a garage, whatever, but the rest of the house, it's unacceptable, I think. They literally didn't even dust, like, they didn't do anything.
I know. Because
this wouldn't be here. Like, no one cleaned this house. It was not cleaned since the last people who lived here. I mean, this house it's disgusting. Like, I just can't get over the fact that you're gonna rent this for good money, I might add, and everything is just so dirty. Like, and the craftsmanship, you can tell where they added stuff. Okay, so up here we have 3 bedrooms. They're kind of small. This one seems to be the smallest. So this would be a good office. And then the other bedroom is directly across. A little bit bigger. And the closet's a nicer size closet. It's a pretty good size closet for a kid, I think. And then this is the linen closet upstairs. Linen closet and the upstairs bathroom. This is the other full bath in the house. So this will be the girls' bathroom. Which I love all this stuff that they switched out. It's so nice, but I wish this place was clean. So then this bedroom is pretty big. That's a really nice size closet in here. Our friends are staying here, so they put their stuff in here, but this is a really nice size closet, I think. So that is the whole house. I'm just so disappointed. Like, did not even dust. Like, I mean, seriously, look at that. Like, is that acceptable to you? It's disgusting. Like, not acceptable.
It's been slow going because we've had to go back and forth with the management company getting them to fix stuff in the home. So I haven't been able to unpack in the way that I wanted to. When we first moved in here, we actually changed out all the filters. They were black and the house was just really dirty. It still is dirty 6 weeks later because some of the rooms I've scrubbed top to bottom, other ones I have not gotten to. And honestly, I was so discouraged by the state of this house and just all of my plans falling through that I have not even recorded most of it. So I lost or missed a lot of opportunities to have satisfying videos for you guys, but I just couldn't even bear to bring myself to try to record it because everything takes longer when you're recording and I was already discouraged enough. But I'm sure you guys will still see plenty of satisfying videos in this home. I hope you will stay tuned. I am really super excited to get it up to my liking. Just had to get over the disappointment of it being so dirty when we arrived and that really setting me back like an entire month. I probably should have had my house done by now, and it's probably only about 75% unpacked and maybe only 25% scrubbed down and cleaned. So stay tuned. I'll definitely be sharing a lot with you guys in the future. I hope that you will enjoy everything I have coming, and I'll talk to y'all then. Bye.